So to install the mod, just go to this exact folder, Outer Worlds 2, Arkansas, and then content, and then packs. And if you don't have any this folder, just create one, and then open, and then you can extract the optimized file. So now I'm using the base tweak, the optimized tweak base that you can see here in the in this folder. And have a look at this. The light is very clear, and the foliage or the mountain is crystal clear. Everything is so beautiful. So if you're satisfied with this base, I'm recommending that you just need to explore the area and try to find out anything else. For the character, the graphics quality is actually wonderful, and you can see the everything else is very good. And I believe that is no graphic quality is sacrificed in this setting, in this optimized tweak. Alright, so here I'm using the tweak optimized one, and I'm already having 100 plus FPS. Sometimes it reaches 120 FPS, and as you can see here that the graphic quality remains very much similar. I cannot even differentiate how the graphics from the previous tweak to this one. I can see that the character's quality is still very clear. So if you're using this mod or this tweak, I believe you'll get more FPS without any graphics sacrifice. And even sometimes I got like 140 FPS here. So it's basically boosting your FPS without sacrificing the graphics quality. Alright guys, now I'm starting to realize the difference, and this is the optimized tweak 2 being applied. Still I'm using the FSR 4 and the Intel XFG frame generation, and still the graphics preset is very high. And here we got like 140 FPS. Sometimes it even reaches 150. And oh my god, we got an enemy. What? Component ability C, and then component 1 ability. All right.
Agent's health needs.
Give the order.
All right. So now we are encountering some enemies here, and the FPS is still pretty high, and we can maintain like 140. Alright, so it's still 100, and so oops, sometimes it goes below 130, but the frame graph is still stable. And again, the graphic quality is not that bad. It's not that bad again. It's still, you know, playable, and it's eye candy, you know. If you have a low card like RX 570 or GTX 1060, perhaps you can consider using these optimized tweaks too. But again, I'm still happy with the base one or the vanilla. Even I'm good with that, because I don't need this much FPS, this many FPS. And I'm going to try to find a more demanding area where we got a ton of enemies.